Did you know that a typical store-bought smoothie can contain more sugar than a can of soda? It's true. Some popular smoothie blends pack upwards of 40 grams of sugar in a single serving, and that's before any toppings or add-ons. That surprising statistic might have you wondering, if smoothies are supposed to be a healthy choice, why do they often come loaded with so much sugar? And is there a way to enjoy all the creamy, fruity goodness of a smoothie without the sugar crash? Today, let's embark on a journey into the world of sugar-free smoothies. But here's the twist. We're not talking about bland, watered-down drinks. Instead, we're diving into smoothies that are naturally sweetened with fruit, no refined sugar, syrups, or artificial sweeteners needed. These vibrant, flavorful blends let the true taste of fruit shine through, offering all the sweetness you crave, and none of the added sugar you don't. Before we get blending, it's important to understand why sugar-free smoothies are worth exploring. While fruit contains naturally occurring sugars, many commercially available smoothies go far beyond what's found in nature. They often include added sugar, honey, sweetened yogurt, fruit juices, or syrups to enhance taste. The result? A spike in your blood sugar, a quick burst of energy, and then, inevitably, a crash that leaves you feeling sluggish and craving more sugar. Consuming too much sugar, even from seemingly healthy sources, is linked to a range of health concerns. It can contribute to weight gain, increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, strain your heart, and even impact your mood and focus. For children and adults alike, the World Health Organization recommends limiting added sugar to less than 10% of daily calories, ideally closer to 5%. But it's easy to exceed that limit if your daily smoothie is more dessert than breakfast. So how do you enjoy a smoothie that's both delicious and truly nourishing? The answer lies in the natural sweetness of fruit. Fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Unlike refined sugar, the sugars in whole fruit come with a host of nutrients and are absorbed more slowly by the body, leading to steadier energy levels. Let's explore some fantastic options for naturally sweetening your smoothies. Bananas are a classic choice. They add creamy texture and a mellow sweetness that pairs well with almost anything. For a tropical twist, mangoes and pineapples bring a juicy, tangy flavor and vibrant color. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries provide natural sweetness with antioxidant power, though they tend to be less sweet than tropical fruits. If you're looking for something even more unique, try dates. These dried fruits are nature's candy, and just one or two can sweeten an entire smoothie. But balancing flavors is key. If your smoothie is too tart, a ripe banana or a few pitted dates can mellow things out. If it's too sweet, add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice to brighten and balance the taste. Leafy greens like spinach or kale can be blended in for extra nutrition, and their flavors are easily masked by sweeter fruits. For extra creaminess without sugar, try unsweetened plant-based milks, plain Greek yogurt, or even a scoop of avocado. Now, let's walk through a quick example of creating a delicious, sugar-free smoothie. Imagine a glass brimming with color, deep purple from blueberries, a sunny yellow from mango, and a lush green from spinach. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Begin by adding a cup of frozen blueberries to your blender. Their natural sweetness and rich color form the base of your smoothie. Next, toss in half a ripe banana for creaminess and mild sweetness. Add half a cup of fresh or frozen mango chunks for a tropical flair. Throw in a handful of baby spinach for a boost of vitamins and a lovely green hue. Don't worry, you won't taste it. To help everything blend smoothly, pour in 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk. If you'd like a touch more sweetness, add 1 pitted date. For extra brightness, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice. Now blend it all together until creamy and smooth. Pour your smoothie into a glass and admire the vibrant color. Take a sip, and you'll taste the natural sweetness of the fruit, the freshness of the greens, and the satisfying creaminess, no added sugar required. It's a treat for your senses and a gift to your body. The beauty of sugar-free smoothies is in their versatility. You can mix and match fruits based on what's in season or what you have on hand. Try blending cherries with peaches and a splash of vanilla. Or, combine apple, pear, and cinnamon for a cozy, fall-inspired drink. The possibilities are endless, and each one is packed with nutrients, fiber, and flavor. By choosing to naturally sweeten your smoothies with fruit, you're not just cutting out unnecessary sugar, you're adding in more of what your body truly needs. You'll experience longer-lasting energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. Plus, you'll retrain your palate to appreciate the natural flavors of real food, making sugar-laden treats less appealing over time. So, the next time you're craving a smoothie, reach for the blender and let fruit be your sweetener. Discover the endless combinations, the rainbow of colors, and the pure, refreshing taste of nature's best ingredients. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. If you enjoyed learning about sugar-free smoothies and want more tips for healthy, delicious eating, be sure to subscribe. There's a whole world of naturally sweet, nutrient-packed recipes waiting for you.